Hey there, I'm Chokae Kalekoa, and if you're here right now, chances are you are ready to craft a life that is more in tune with your natural state of being, which is love and happiness. Join me in this live workshop where I'm going to show you a few powerful strategies that are going to help you reset your self-care game in harmony with the rhythms of nature. You'll learn how to manage your time in conjunction with the lunar cycle, overcome self-doubt, and regain your personal power by setting healthy boundaries, and the practical application of seasonal rituals. And you'll learn how to build a more meaningful relationship with nature, which in turn can help you do the same in all kinds of relationships. Are you ready to elevate your self-care toolbox and bridge that gap between where you are now to where you actually want to be? This is where the magic happens. So claim your spot right now, and let's journey together towards your true potential.